I'm going to show you how you make this super simple transition that will make your animated videos a little bit more slick. Import your footage, create a new composition, check the settings and click OK. Put your footage into your composition, here it is, and you want to create a background or something that it transitions from. Here I've created a solid. I put it underneath the footage and I move the footage along. I then go Layer, New and Shape Layer. I then want to create a stroke to reveal the footage underneath. I make sure my fill is set to none and my stroke is set to colour. And here I can change the stroke width. I create my stroke. I then click on my original footage and click Alpha Matte. Here I can move the stroke to make it a bit more interesting. And I can of course play with the stroke's width. I then go to my shape layer, go to Contents, Shape and Stroke, and I change the butt cap to round cap. This just means that the end is round. I then go to Add, Trim Paths, and I play around with the start and end settings. I want my stroke to reveal on, so I animate the end property. And here we can see it's animating on. You can of course move the keyframes to make the reveal slower or faster. And you might want to complete the transition by scaling it out. Here I've added a scale keyframe, moved the current time indicator, and then scaled out the transition. I will do the same with the footage, but I will do it separately. This is to make sure that the footage and the transition isn't stuck together. I then want to ease in and out these keyframes, so I highlight the keyframes, press Ctrl on the Mac, Keyframe Assistant, and then ease out. And I do the same for the other keyframes, but I ease them in. I change the render area to help with playback. And there we go, a really super easy transition. Done. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Bye!